Alright guys, here we are today. We're shipping out a TimberTech Landmark Collection. It's a PVC, pure PVC, not composite. So it's a Landmark TimberTech PVC decking order. This is Castle Gate we're shipping out. Today we're just going to give you a comparison about the colors of a Landmark Collection of TimberTech by AZEK. So that's the Castle Gate. Right here, you can see that Castle Gate is going to be a gray, neutral gray, kind of a darker gray, pretty attractive. The top one right here, that's American Walnut. It's a darker color, similar to the gray, but it has more brown color to it. So that's another color you can get from the Landmark Collection. Here's another one, that's French White Oak. You can see the French White Oak is more of a neutral, kind of creamy. It's a neutral color, but it's kind of more tan. Light color, so if you want a lighter deck, that's a good choice. French White Oak. And here's another one, Boardwalk. It's in the Landmark Collection as well. The Boardwalk, it's almost a pure gray just like this, but it's a lot lighter. So if you want a dark gray, the Castle Gray, Castle Gate would be a good choice. It's a darker gray. Whereas if you want a lighter gray, Boardwalk in the Landmark Collection of the TimberTech AZEK pure PVC decking. These are all good choices, but you know, you can see the different colors. Whatever color you think would fits right for your project. They're all available here at Advantage Lumber.